So from the dashboard here, you will go to Orders, My Orders. You'll see a list of the orders available for the customer. In this case, we have 3, 2 of which are complete. There is one that's open, so we'll click into that line. We'll select the Pay option here. This will open a secondary window. This window is the order payment information, as we can see the order type and the order number and the payment methods that's stored for the customer. Again, these are the payment methods that are stored back within the ERP instance. Selecting the magnifying glass gives the customer the opportunity to select from various methods that are recorded on that customer's record. Same options are available for any ACH payments. So if there is an ACH payment that's on record for the customer, he or she can select that, and or a credit card payment method. Customer can also check the box here to enter a new payment method if he or she desires that. In this case, we'll use a card that's already on file, so we'll go ahead. We can see the amount, which is unpaid, of $1785.99. We'll select the capture option here. And we can see the transaction has successfully captured based on the processing status, and the operation here has completed. So we can X out of this window, refresh, and we see the balance here for this transaction is now 0 because the payment has been successfully processed. In this case, we have successfully processed the payment within the Acumatica customer portal as a sales order.